Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we're back with another amazing video for ya. Don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Most people would love the idea of becoming a millionaire, but do you have what it takes to become one? There are specific traits and characteristics that most successful people have in common, and it isn't always because of good luck. In this video, we'll talk about 5 signs that might mean that you have a good chance of becoming a millionaire. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You maintain an open mind. Do you see the good in everything and hope for the best? Then we have some good news for you. Your optimistic outlook towards life is something that you have in common with the people who ended up becoming millionaires. This method helps you overcome your failures and lets you start once again. If you fail one time, you know that you can do better the next time. As cliche as it may sound, money is not everything. If money is the end goal, life will be, well, pretty empty. But those who are able to develop a deep passion for their work are motivated to work hard, and often, that's when they start to make serious cash. You don't waste time. A lot of people don't realize that time is just as important as money is. If you spend your time well and are productive, then you have a greater chance of being successful and making more money than the people who just can't seem to stop lazying around. If one wants to end up being successful, then he should utilize his time well and waste it as little as possible, because time is very precious and not many people realize that until it's too late. Time management skills can help you gain a sense of control over your time, which will help reduce mental pressures and help you work more while being relaxed. As you improve your ability to meet your deadlines, you will be better equipped to stay calm while you're working. When you can manage your time well, you gain some peace of mind. You work hard. Successful people don't stop learning when their formal education's over. They are lifelong learners. They are committed to amassing more knowledge because they know it can increase their success. So, if you're one of those people who work hard and are passionate about what you do, then you have a fair chance of becoming one of the millionaires. Over time, working hard will make you more adaptable and smarter as well. It is a combination that can do wonders. The thing with hard work is that, yes, it may be tough, but it is much better than the alternative. If you don't put in the work, success is much harder to achieve. A few years down the line, you'll realize that it is hard work that made you able to achieve all that you did. You save to invest. Saving money and using it at the right places is very important and is one of the many habits successful people have. They don't waste all their money on extra stuff they don't need, but instead invest it in places from which it'll benefit them later. So, if you have the habit of saving extra money, then we're happy to tell you that you're on the right path and that the only thing you need to know is work hard and be persistent. You think for yourself. If you have a strong sense of self and know what your goal and passions are, then you might have a fair chance of going a long way in your career and end up becoming a millionaire. Thinking for yourself means that whatever opinions you hold will be well thought out and come from a position of thorough investigation and thoughtful analysis. Millionaires don't care about what other people think about them because they're too busy paving their own pathway towards success. They don't stand out on purpose, but rather don't have time to waste on things that don't matter much in the long run. Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and Steve Jobs are all great examples of this idea. If they did not have the ability to think for themselves and simply try to fit in, they would never have been able to achieve what they did. By thinking differently and focusing on their goals, they were able to create incredible pathways to success. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, in the comment section down below, let us know what goals you have for the future. We'll see you guys in the next one.